the deployment of the Nemesis, which is the Navy, Marine, expeditionary ship interdiction system, is part of Kamandag. It is focused, or its objective is for us to be able to conduct joint operations or combined operations with other Marine Corps or allied nations. It is not aimed towards specific threats or specific issues that are currently happening adjacent to where it is going to be fired. Whether it will be fired or not depends on the actual situation or actual criteria that will be met on the day of the maritime strike demonstration. So, but the objective is to be able to maximize this particular training activity.
Kasi we are learning how to use it. Parang ganun, di ba,
Yes,
sir?
exactly. As we have mentioned before, we have already submitted to higher headquarters to include and to the Department of National Defense the list of essential or critical capabilities that the Navy or the AFP intends to have. And this is one of the capabilities that we intend to have.
Sir, kasi di ba yung Nemesis lagi sang kinokontest ng China.
Yes.
So, are we expecting another aggressive or reaction on the presence of the Nemesis? Lalo na gagamitin natin sa Kamandag exercise.
I think the Secretary of National Defense said it best. Walang pakialaman kahit sinong bansa when it comes to the deployment of assets, whether it is our own or if it belongs to our allies. So we will continue to deploy and train with our allies if in the objective of enhancing combined operations or to be able to do operations with them in the future. There will be military observers coming from France, the Netherlands, Bahrain, Australia, Thailand, Canada, and Indonesia. More than a dozen international observers will be participating in Kamandag.